How do you feel about gender, race, diversity in your major field of study?
I actually feel that it's not quite equal. I feel that there's more guys than girls in the classes, and so for example in my classes, like I've never experienced that staying in a class where like girls are more than guys, you know.
Yeah.
I even remember like a girl asking me like in a lab in a class that I'm taking. She's trying to apply to electrical engineering, but she asked this question. It was like interesting. She asked, "How many girls in your classes?" You know, and I was like, "Okay, there's 5." But I mean, like, why did she ask? You know?
She's definitely worried about it.
Yeah, she was. Yeah, I think so. I could say that there is less girls and it is noticed by the community, and this question from this girl, like I think that like people know that there is less.
More, yeah.
According to our research, we found that in STEM and tech majors, women are heavily in science majors, while men are heavily in engineering, mathematics, and technology. In regards to ethnicity, we found that the majority are white, with the second most being Asian. All of the demographics were under 10%. 60.17% of students surveyed are in a STEM or tech major, yet 45.82% of the responses found that their major had some level of gender and ethnic diversity. We find it interesting that this does not correlate to the trends we see in the university's data.
What do you believe are the main contributing factors to the lack of diversity in your field?
I think stereotypes, absolutely stereotypes. So, for example, I was talking to a friend of mine. I was like, so since he likes engineering and he's not doing engineering. So I was like, why are you not doing? He's like, I'm not smart enough. Have you tried? Have you even got Have you went? Because people think, oh, if you're going to engineering, that means you have to be like, really smart. No, you just have to have the will to study, and you have to want it, and then just go for it.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
and then also people, some other people say, oh, there's no girls in this field. That means this field is for, it's not for me.
We believe that public policy could help alleviate the lack of diversity. Public policy that increases school funding for STEM and tech-related fields is necessary. By introducing younger students to STEM and technology in a fun and inviting way, we believe it would garner more interest in those fields, and those interests would carry through to university.